Numbers, charts, market jargon. It can all feel like a foreign language. Money is a tool we all use, yet for many it feels complex, confusing, and out of reach. But what if there was a way to make sense of it all? What if you could take control of your financial future? Welcome to Finance Decoded. This isn't just a channel, it's a mission to demystify money and simplify the path to financial independence. We're here to break down the barriers and hand you the keys to a brighter financial future. First, passive income ideas. We'll explore powerful strategies to make your money work for you. From dividend stocks and real estate to creating digital products, we'll show you how to build income streams that give you back your time and freedom. Second, smart investing. We'll decode the world of investments, from the basics of stocks and ETFs to strategic portfolio management. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge to grow your wealth steadily and confidently without the jargon. And third, essential financial habits. We believe the foundation of wealth is built on daily habits. We'll provide practical, actionable tips on budgeting, saving, and managing debt to ensure you're on the right track from day one. We're here to be your guide, one decode at a time. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a solid, sustainable financial future that allows you to live with purpose. If you're ready to take control of your finances and start your journey to financial freedom, you found the right place. We post new videos every week, so you can always rely on us for fresh insights. Join the community. Subscribe to Finance Decoded and hit that notification bell so you never miss an insight. We can't wait to have you on board.